Sometimes something beautiful happens in Minecraftia. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing. I just found diamonds. Hey. And it felt so good. Oh. A diamond let me put my pickaxe inside of it. I just found diamonds. Hey. And I'll never go back. Oh. To not have diamond ways of attack. Have you ever found diamonds? I have. It felt great. It felt so good when I mined it with my pickaxe. A diamond let me mine it. It literally just happened. Mining diamonds can make a strong man of a weakest. Never guess where I just came from. I mined diamonds. If I had to describe the feeling, it was the best. When I mined the diamonds, man, my pickaxe felt great. And I called my roommate right after the pick was made. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what I just did? Found diamonds, cracked a pickaxe, mine obsidian, and the rest was sure nice and notch to let you do that thing. That's the any cave ever. Now sing. I just found diamonds. And it felt so good. Oh. Diamond let me put my pickaxe inside of it. I wanna tell the world. To be honest, I'm surprised I even managed to find diamond. Doesn't really make sense. But man, screw it. I ain't one to argue with the good thing. I could kill Notch. That good. The best single weapon of my life. I'm so happy that a cave led me directly to it. Cause honestly, I download cheats just to find some diamonds. With that in mind, legit natural diamonds are better. Plus I would not get banned by an admin for hacking. So this one's dedicated to them pigs that let us swing around while using you. If you're broken or new, enchanted or clean, we wanna thank you all for letting us use you. What my farm? Doesn't matter diamonds. My stuff fell
Eli hei, siis me lähdettiin tänne pois tuolta. Eli mä en yritänytkään sitä maastolessua, koska se ei onnistunut, koska täällä on niin hemmetin liukasta. Sitä on loskaa ja mulla on sellaiset kumipohjat kengät, mitkä liusuu. Tuollaiset, mihin ne liusuu ihan helvetisti täällä. Niin se periaatteessa hiihtää, jos mä jaksaisin. Mutta mä en jaksa, niin sit mä en tee niin. Mutta sorun askeleet menee ihan hirveesti siinä videossa, koska on liukasta. Tää Rene meinasi liukastua koko ajan. Eli siis ihan koko ajan. Niin sit mä en voinut oikein mennä hyvin. Mutta toivottavasti tykkäsitte videosta. Ja muistakaa tilata, tykätä ja kommentoida. Ja seuraavaksi tulee huomenna joku video, jos jaksaa tehdä. Ja vielä siihen, että se ei ollut Reneen eikä munkaan vika. Tässä on tämän maaston, mä pystyn periaatteessa hiihtääkin täällä. Koska nämä kengät on vähän tällaiset. Niin sitten kun mä menen, niin sit mä liukastun. Mä menisin koko ajan kaatoon, mutta sitten mä yritin vähän mennä sellaista vähän pienempää raviaa.